And what's happening YouTube, it's your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today we're going to show you how to play Pokemon Go with iPogo, where you can teleport, have joystick, and play anywhere in the world right at your home for free. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can notify when the next videos come up, tips and tricks, and also a surprise unboxing just like this one. Check out merch below at 1130.ca. Those of you who are fans of Pokemon Go, this one is for you. I'll link this down below. So let's go ahead and check this out. So let's open this up. No surprise for you guys. We will show you how to teleport in Pokemon Go. Just 1 second after we've unboxed and show you this surprise. So basically this is a 3D lamp that is very decorative. There you go. And it lights up. So let's go ahead and show you what it looks like. So basically this is what we get out of the box. You get to pick the style and the design that you want. They have a lot of designs including Pokemon Go and different designs, so go ahead and check them out in the link below. You also get the stand inside the box right there. As you can see there's an LED strip inside of that. That's pretty cool. And then the charger for it. So let's go ahead and peel the sticker on this. It says here that you have to tear up both sides of the protective film. So let's go ahead and do that right now. There's the one side. There you go. And the second part. Wow. That is very clean. As you can see there. Very nice. Now let's put this up right here. Like so. There you go. And then let's light it up. Plug this in on the back. There you go. It also has different modes where you could just click this and it'll change. So you could see there, you could change the colors. Just like that. Boom. There you have it, guys. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below and go ahead and check them out. Yeah, this was sent to me, but honestly, this is beautiful. So go ahead and check out their different designs on their website. Now let's show you how to play iPogo on your phone for free. Here we go. So here we go. And today we're looking at iPogo and we're going to show you how to install this for free today. This will involve using a computer though. This is the free version. You just need to use your Windows computer. So we're going to show you how to do that today. So here we go. Today we're going to use the 3U tools. So here's our computer. The link is up there. I'm going to link this down below as well if you want to go ahead and check that out. Today we're gonna pretty much download 3U tools for Windows, and then we're gonna download the IPA, the iPogo IPA, which is the actual game itself, and then we're gonna install it using 3U tools. Here we're gonna go ahead and install this to our computer. Once you're ready, hit launch and plug in your iPhone to your computer using the Lightning USB cord. Make sure you are using a cable that is not broken and no USB extension, and make sure you're using a official iPhone Apple cord as well. Now let's go ahead and download the iPogo IPA. Once the download is done, go ahead and hit Toolbox on your 3U tools and hit IPA signature. Here we're gonna locate the iPogo IPA, and then we're gonna sign in with our Apple ID here and add Apple ID. Now here, make sure the Apple ID you are using is the one on your device currently signed in right now. I made a mistake of using another Apple ID, so I just pretty much removed that and just use this brand new one that I've installed or signed in to my existing device that is connected right now on the computer. Now type in if there's a two-factor authentication, go ahead and punch that in right here. Here, as you could see, it'll start to do the signing method right here. It's processing right now, so we're just gonna wait till this is done. I'll try not to skip anything like that as well so that you can see the whole process. It's just easier for the long run so that when you see it once, then when you do it, then you don't have to rethink it. You already seen it once, so you're just reviewing it then. This is the first time I'm doing this, so it does have a little bit of a kerfuffle, but hopefully after this, because you'll have to do this every time your app is revoked, you have to redo this whole process again. So make sure to do it properly so that you can do it again the next time. Once the signing is done, go ahead and X that. Now we're gonna go to iDevice and go to apps. Once you're in apps, make sure to hit import and install apps. Once you've done that, make sure as well that you are using the IPA that you just signed, not the one that you've downloaded. So there's a big difference. Here we're gonna show you the where to find that. If you go hit the open signed IPA location, it says here that it's in my this PC and then the documents. So now there's the iPogo 1.7.9 right there. That's the one we will use for installing in the app. Make sure to not use the downloaded version and use the signed version. That's important. Once you've located the app, make sure you go back to the device apps and then import the app as well right there. As you can see, we use the one from the documents, not from the download section. So that's pretty good. This is the signed iPogo now. As you can see at the bottom, it'll start installing right now. It's transmitting. So once this is all done, you'll be able to go to your iPhone and sign this profile. Next step is go to settings on your iPhone. And here we're gonna go to general and profile and device management. And then you're gonna see the Apple ID that you have there and sign it up. There you go. Now you should be able to play iPogo, Pokemon Go for your iPhone. Here we go. Now you should be able to do this over and over again without a period of time. Basically, these apps that needs to get signed on through profiles and outside of App Store, they get revoked once in a while because Apple doesn't like apps like these. So what you'll need to do is just redo the whole thing again and just reference back. Don't worry, there's no virus or anything like that that will go to your phone. It's just this is the only way so that you can have tweaked apps on iPhones, and it's just there's no way to do it outside of this. In Android, it's easier. You can just sign any apps you want and no problem at all, but Apple makes it a little bit harder to do it, but it is possible. So go ahead and do that right here. So yeah, it's pretty good. There you go. You'll be able to play Pokemon Go no problem at all, anywhere in the world. And now there are precautions on playing Pokemon Go this way because you do get banned. But what you'll need to do is respect the cooldowns. What I mean by that is make sure to not catch any Pokemon or don't try to even do anything on the game. As you can see here, what I did is I searched up right away where I want to go. I wanted to go to San Francisco right away, so I didn't catch or do anything in the game or anything like that. I didn't spin any Pokestops. I didn't go to any gyms or anything like that. All I had to do was just go straight to the top left corner there and hit the map and look for the location that I want to go to. I usually like San Francisco because they have a lot of Pokemons here. Very crowded place, so the raids are really nice as well. So if you want to try it out yourself, like I said, don't just when you go into the game teleport right away rather than doing anything in the game first, and then you should be able to get away from getting shadow banned. So for example, in some cases where you want to teleport outside of San Francisco or wherever you are, but you've already played the game earlier in the day, make sure there's a 2 hour in between cooldown. So what I mean by that is, for example, you've already spinned or catch Pokemon right now, you'll have to wait and pretty much get out of the game for 2 hours straight without, like I said, don't do anything in the game within that 2 hours, and then you'll be able to just play Pokemon Go, no problem. Teleport after that 2 hours. So that's pretty good. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on how to spoof and teleport and play anywhere in the world and right at home in Pokemon Go. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Make sure to hit that like button below as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Make sure to check out my merch below as well. I'm gonna try my best to put in a Pokemon Go merch below. Stay tuned for that. And I hope you guys have a good day. Wear your mask and social distance out there. Stay safe. Peace. Now, if only I could catch this stupid Taurus. Seriously, man. This has been a while. What a waste of Pokemon or Pokeballs. And there you go. Finally. Thank you, Taurus. What a waste of time.